Hey there, City fans. Today I'm diving deep into the mind of Pep Guardiola and how he's turned our beloved Manchester City from misfiring to champions-elect. Remember the start of last season? It was rough. Injuries, defensive blunders and inconsistent performances had us all worried. But Pep, being the master tactician he is, had a plan. First, let's talk about the defence. Early on we saw some shaky moments, but Pep brought in Ruben Dias and boy did he make a difference. Dias wasn't just a rock at the back, he was a leader. He organised the defence, inspired confidence, and suddenly we were looking solid. Now, midfield, it's always been the heartbeat of Guardiola's teams. But with De Bruyne and Gundogan stepping up, it became even more dynamic. De Bruyne's vision and passing, unmatched. Gundogan's late runs into the box, pure gold. Offence, we were misfiring at the start, no doubt. But Pep's tactical tweaks made all the difference. He often played without a recognised striker, using false nines and fluid attacking patterns. He confused the opposition, opened up spaces and got us scoring again. And let's not forget the youth. Phil Foden, our very own Stockport Iniesta, became a revelation. Pep trusted him, nurtured him, and he delivered on the big stage. What's truly remarkable is Pep's adaptability. He's known for sticking to his philosophy, but this season he showed flexibility. Whether it was tweaking formations or rotating players, he always had a plan B, C and D, and the results speak for themselves. Dominating performances, crucial wins and a run that put us on top. From doubters to believers, Pep's magic touched every part of the squad, so here we are, champions-elect, ready to lift the trophy and add another chapter to our glorious history. And it's all thanks to Pep's brilliance, hard work and the unwavering support of fans like you. Stay tuned, citizens, the best is yet to come. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more City content. Up the Blues!